Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for comparing products so you don't end up with buyer's remorse. Today, we have a drone showdown between two high flyers, the DEERC D20 mini drone and the TiziToy brushless motor drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. First up, let's talk about asterisk price. The DEERC D20 is priced at $69, while the TiziToy comes in at $99. So if you're budget conscious, you might lean towards the D20. But let's see what you get for those extra $30. Next, let's talk asterisk camera quality. The D20 offers a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera. It's great if you want to see your neighbor's cat from above, or take some aerial selfies. But the TiziToy, it boasts a 4K 120 degrees adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens. Perfect for aspiring drone photographers or anyone who wants high-quality aerial footage. Now onto asterisk battery life. The DEERC D20 comes with two rechargeable batteries, giving you a total of 20 minutes of flight time. Not bad, right? But the TiziToy comes with two 1,600 mAh batteries, offering up to 40 minutes of flight time. That's double the fun. Let's get into the asterisk special features. The D20 has 3D flips, waypoints fly, voice control, and gesture selfies. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. But the TiziToy, this thing is like the Batman of drones. High-speed rotation, circle fly, 3-speed gears, gesture control, and even 360-degree obstacle avoidance indoors. Plus, it comes with a storage bag and extra fan blades. For asterisk ease of use asterisk, the DEERC D20 is marketed as the best drone toy for kids. One key start, landing, and altitude hold make it super easy to control. Perfect for beginners. On the other hand, the TiziToy has a detailed tutorial and 24-hour customer service. Plus, it has an electronic fence function to keep you from flying it into the neighbor's yard. Overall, reviewers appreciate the DEERC D20 for its affordability, durability, and ease of use, making it a great starter drone for beginners. The TiziToy brushless motor drone receives praise for its advanced features, camera quality, and long battery life, though some users have noted issues with customer support. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly safe and buy smart.